Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am privileged to welcome His Excellency Shri Indramani Pandey, Indian Ambassador to Oman today. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to our special guest, the guest of honor, Grandmaster Sensei T.V. Narayanan, other distinguished guests, parents, students, and you all. We will start the program with the national anthem. I request all of you to please rise for the same. Please be seated. We would now present a floral bouquet to our distinguished guests. I would like to call Megha to present the floral bouquet to His Excellency Indramani Sir, and Ria to present the bouquet to Sensei T.V. Narayanan. Now, I would like to welcome Mr. Wilson C.I. to the stage for the formal welcome of the guests.
Good evening. As I am standing here representing the Harmony Music, Art and Karate Training Institute, I feel so honored that the Harmony Music and Art Karate Training Institute has made many remarkable achievements in this great country, the Sultanate of Oman. Your Excellency Indramani Pandey, our invited distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, this is really a proud moment for all of us here that 5 karate students are being conferred with black belt from the Karate Association of India, popularly known as CAI. Those who gets a black belt from CAI is considered special and valuable because CAI is the only recognized national federation for karate sports in India. CAI is also affiliated with World Karate Federation, Asian Karate Do Federation, Commonwealth Karate Federation, and South Asian Karate Do Federation. CAI is registered by Government of India's Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. CAI has 34 state members all over India, along with SSCEB, the Indian Army, and ITBP, Assam Rifle, and many police forces in India too are cooperated members of CAI.
I would now like to call upon Mr. Muhammad Tufail Ahmed to address the gathering.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency Indramani Pandey Sir ji, Grandmaster Mr. T.V. Narayanan, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great honor for me to be here on the stage, although I feel in the whole concept of this program I do not fit, just being a parent. But Mr. George wanted a voice of the parent. I hope I am representing the voice of all the parents here. The idea of this karate certification from Karate Association of India came during, after few children got brown belt, and then I was just discussing with, Sensei George that, how to get something which is valid everywhere in India, which is recognized in India. And then he came up with his idea that why not we get Karate Association of India certificate. And that is really great, as Mr. Wilson just explained, that it is recognized by all the sporting authorities of India and even the other government agencies.
Good evening. I would like to begin by expressing my deep admiration for these young boys and girls who are here on the stage. Their courage in taking up sport of karate, and also the effort that they must have put in to reach this level where they have been given awarded different colors of belt. I frankly don't understand the distinction between different colors, but I do remember that black belt is considered the utmost achievement. And that also I learned watching some Bruce Lee movies, so that's how I learned that black belt is so important. But I think there is merit in letting our children practice sports like karate, because not only it teaches them the agility in their body and mind, but also it gives them that confidence that they can defend themselves in any situation, and if they are exposed to any danger. And if we teach particularly to our girls and boys in their early childhood, this would give them that much confidence for their future life. Certainly, I also want to thank Indian Karate Association of India for taking the trouble of coming here and organizing this competition so that they could award different belts to our able children here from the community. We would be happy from the embassy to assist Karate Association of India in many ways that they want to do programs here. I want to thank Harmony also for the Institute of Harmony. We admire your effort and the contribution that you are making, and the offer that you made that you are ready to provide training to some children without any charge. I think that's worth applaud. For me, any initiative which comes from within the community to look after the interests of our children, whether it's educational, academic or non-curricular, I think that I am prepared to support anytime, anywhere. Because these children are our future, and if we invest in our future, then future of India will be bright. That is why I have made it a point to visit different schools, particularly in their annual days or other important event that they invite me for. Because in many ways I feel that 19 Indian schools here, teaching altogether 45,000 Indian students, they are making a huge contribution to our development. In many ways I would say, because not only it's for future of India, but also future of India-Oman relationship and future of Indian community in Oman. As I always say, if Indian schools were not there, it would not have been possible for many of you to stay here and continue to do your professional work. You would have been compelled to go back to India or leave your children behind in India. So that's why Indian schools are making a huge contribution, and I always appreciate that. Similarly, these initiatives from within the community to look after other interests of our children.
We have gathered here today to witness a karate demonstration, a certificate distribution ceremony, and to recognize those students who have achieved the black belt through the years of rigorous training. Karate is a martial art which, unlike many other martial arts, is fought without using any weapons. Karate is a combination of two words, kara and te. Kara means empty and te means hand. The whole word is used to symbolize fighting empty-handed. Before we begin the demonstration, I request Sensei TV Narayanan to come up to the stage and give the black belt to the students, and request George Sensei to escort. Myself, Ahmed. Aaron. Megha. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Before we begin the demonstration, the students will display Caesar.
Kyusuke. Read. Hi. See.
To pay respect to the founder of karate.
Your.
We start the demonstration with Sankon Zuki. Sankon Zuki refers to triple punches. The punches are ordered and named as upper for the face, middle for the stomach, and lower for the abdomen region. Develop eye shape. The first attack is a face level punch. To defend, one must block the punch and then kick. The second attack is a chop or slash for the head. To counter, one catches the attacker's hand and then kicks with the leg. The third attack is a kick. For this, we immediately catch the attacker's leg and then throw him. Then finish with a punch. Attack. Another important hold is the hair hold. There is a common misconception on how to counter this. Instead of pushing up, which causes pain, push down with your hand to save your hair and then twist. He performs a simple and elegant shake hand throw. Here it is done in slow motion and very carefully, so as to not cause any injury. Hidden in the throw, which was not performed, was an elbow attack for the heart, a wrist break, and arm lock. It is indeed very handy in tough situations. Now Sir performs a throw for someone catching the hand. All the techniques done here are shown using one hand only. He first breaks.
नमस्ते मैं कराटे का योगाचार्य pranic healer and Reiki master. So here I'm going to demonstrate 2 breathing techniques for the public.
The certificate for the black belt will now be given. Ria. Amen.
Aaron.
Atul. Megha. Thank you, sir. I call upon Mr. Simon Koshi to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good evening.
Read.
India include taking his students, both men and women's team, to the state championship where they also won several medals.